Hey, the iPad Pro from previous year was one of the most anticipated Apple devices, which turned out to be a spectacular release in almost every way, especially in terms of processing power, camera improvements, and amazing display. Sadly, it wasn't perfect. The 11-inch counterpart has kept the traditional LCD screen, OS limitations of the iPad OS were still present, and failed expectations about fully fledged in-house iPad Pro apps. Plus, there was a hope for Apple Pencil Generation 3, which after some promising leaks, still didn't arrive. Well, we do have something to say about the next iteration of the iPad Pro. Keep in mind, I will make a video completely focused on Apple Pencil 3 and what's going on with it. Therefore, make sure you subscribe and enable all notifications so you don't miss it. This video is powered by Blackbeard hosting, so 13 seconds promo and let's go.
Blackbeard hosting. Simple, easy to use website installer, 24/7 customer support, real people. Check it out. 1 month free trial, no credit card needed. With digital markings code, you get 5% off. Blackbeard hosting.
Hi friends and welcome to Digital Marketing channel. My name is Marco and this is your dose Apple news, leaked information, rumors and reviews. Question for you, what do you want to see from the next iteration of the iPad Pro? Please answer below in a comment. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. Without further ado, let's get to the main subject of this video. Back in April 2021, the tech world was stunned when the M1 chip was revealed as a force behind the professional iPad. 8 CPU cores, 8 GPU cores, with the option to choose between 8 and 16 gigs of unified system memory. It's no secret, if Apple opts to showcase new generation this year, it should arrive with the evolved chip architecture, the M2. Many leaks and reports already suggested how this 4nm processor will be at the core of the upcoming redesigned MacBook Air, as well as the new entry-level MacBook Pro. While the amount of memory will likely remain the same, some Bloomberg's articles pointed out that it will be a 10-core chip. In some early mentions, it was specified that the design changes like the glass back as well as MagSafe charging will likely happen. Oh, pray the Lord you don't have to pay for replacement. On the other hand, camera incremental updates already took place with the last 2 iPad Pro editions, but there is still space for improvements. While I doubt that we will see 48-megapixel main camera as it's anticipated with the release of the iPhone 14 lineup, we may get one more camera though. In total 3 along with a LiDAR sensor, if we are to trust some of the most recent leaks. Better internals, speakers and microphones are always to be expected on Pro devices with the Fruit logo. Finally, the display. Apple XDR Retina display, or its version of Mini LED on 12.9-inch model, is a killer feature. This year we can anticipate its arrival on 11-inch iPad Pro, and that means around $100 higher price average. Chinese website My Drivers
我的司机
reveals how bezels may end up smaller, even with the notch, which I don't agree with, but everything is possible. Now you probably wonder, but what about those OLED displays? According to some latest news, OLED screens will eventually be the thing of future iPads. Yet, even with initial 2022 predictions for the iPad Air 5, which were later postponed for 2023, seems like we will have to lower our expectations. We will not see it up until 2024. If Samsung decides to deliver, and if this deal makes sense to both parties. The good news is, if we do see the new iPad Pro lineup this year, we can expect it in the second half, September or maybe even later. That's it, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching Digital Marketing channel. My name is Marco, talk to you soon, have an excellent day, bye.